Hi, it's Justin from CanadaWhips.com. In this video, we're going to learn the boomerang. Let's get started. The boomerang is a horizontal crack that happens after the sidearm flick or after the reverse overhead. Really, it can happen after any crack where the whip is traveling horizontally away from you. It kind of feels like one of the cracks in the helicopter. The key to the crack is twisting your hand out as far away from you as you can with your thumb pointing forward and then bringing your hand back in. If you're right-handed, this kind of feels like unscrewing a light bulb. So I reach up, my hand is fully twisted, and I grab the light bulb, and when I twist it to get it out of the socket, that's when I'm getting the crack. Obviously, to learn this move, you're going to need to be pretty consistent with your flick and your reverse overhead. You want to be able to do them so that the whip is nice and horizontal and it just hangs out in front of you. After you've done the crack, your hand's going to be in this torqued position like we were talking about before. So your hand's going to pause like this, and the whip ideally will be traveling horizontally through the air. At this point, once the thong is past the handle, you're going to cut your arm back in order to make the loop and get the crack. Try and keep the whip nice and horizontal. You want it to come as close to the whip handle as possible, and that's going to make a nice tight loop to get the crack. Now it's time to try and put the two cracks together. So we're going to start with one of our horizontal cracks, and right after we do it, instead of just pausing our hand dead, we're going to cut it back towards our head. That's how to do the boomerang. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to learn more about whips and whip cracking, check out our website at CanadaWhips.com.